Life is precious, so we've heard. Have you ever asked yourself, how much do we, Haitians, value life? And what does it say in the Haitian Constitution about life? Well, tonight, these are exactly the questions we're going to tackle during this program. Hope you will stay with us. Color of Hope, start right now. The second sentence of the Declaration of Independence in America says that we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Does our country have a Declaration of Independence? Yes, we do. And what does it say about life? Let's talk about it. A human person is infinitely precious and must be unconditionally protected. Hans Kong says that, not me. In the 14th Amendment, it says, Section 1, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction, therefore, are citizens of the United States and of the state within they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privilege of immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life. Well, that is without the due process. Do we have an amendment in Haiti that says, thou shalt not kill your neighbor? That's what we're trying to figure out tonight. If you know, give us a call. 623-9508 is our number here in the studio. 561-623-9508. Do we value life is what we're talking about here. Stay with us. Color of Hope is in full swing. Serious subject tonight. We are talking about life. 561-623-9508 is our number here in the studio. We are going to have a talk about life. Let me ask you, how precious is your life? Think about that. Yeah, life is precious as you make it. The value depends on what value you give it. What value are we giving our life as Haitians? Tonight is what we're going to be talking about. Stay with us.